Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Things you'll need: store-bought canned crab meat is fully cooked and can be eaten straight from the can. Home canned crab meat should be cooked for 30 minutes before eating. The real joy of canned crab meat is that you can have it sitting on your pantry shelf ready to use in a recipe at a moment's notice.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Place the crab directly into the boiling water, if its shell is intact, and cover the pot with a lid. Boil for 5 minutes per pound of crab you are heating. If you are heating unshelled crab meat, skip to step 3.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Steaming is another excellent method for reheating crab legs. In a steamer basket over boiling water, they'll typically be ready in 5 to 6 minutes. You can also reheat crab in the oven in a way that mimics steaming. To do this, simply reheat in a covered oven-proof dish that you've added half an inch of water to.
Take our lead.
Crab meat is almost always sold in cans or containers rather than fresh. It's cooked, cleaned, pasteurized, and then packaged. Because lump is a mixture of large and small pieces, it's a good choice for seafood salads or crab cakes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.